Medical research during the last 10 decades has brought succor to people suffering from diseases which were never considered curable. The greatest march of medical science is in the field of surgery for cancer treatments. Medanta is the first one in India to have this state-of-art technology for the treatment of cancer, and more than hundreds of patients have already been benefited from this technique. With the introduction of robotic radiosurgery, cancer can now be detected and treated at the initial state without any surgical procedures, intense pain, and reduced hospital stay. The two main elements of CyberKnife are the radiation produced from a smaller linear particle accelerator and a robotic arm which allows the energy to be directed at any part of the body. CyberKnife robotics radiosurgery is a non-invasive alternative to surgery for the treatment of cancerous and surgical complex tumors anywhere in the body with successful outcomes. The cancer is treated by delivering beams of high-dose radiations to tumors with extreme accuracy for treating tumors, thus minimizing damages to the surrounding tissues. The system utilizes real-time image guidance to accurately and continuously target the tumor, automatically correcting for movement of the tumor or patient during the treatment, including the brain, spine, liver, lung, prostate, pancreas, breast, and other soft tissues in a comfortable environment. With this system, patients can complete the course of treatment in 1 to 5 days, and in majority of the cases, no anesthesia is given to the patient for the procedure. Headed by some of the most experienced oncologists of the country, has not only empowered and enhanced the radiation oncology capabilities, but has also facilitated cure for patients from across the world. Treating cancer can be very complicated, and it is difficult for even the most educated patients to be sure they have the best care with world's most advanced cancer treatments. So let's simplify it and treat it at the beginning.